Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Figma for UI brand systems, complete guide step by step clearly. To install Figma for UI brand systems, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Figma website at www.figma.com. Once the homepage loads, look for the Sign Up or Login button in the top right corner. If you are a new user, click on Sign Up to create your account. You'll need to enter your email address and create a password. After filling in the required fields, click on Create Account. If you already have an account, simply enter your credentials and once logged in, look for the option to download Figma for desktop. Click on the Download Figma button, usually found on the main dashboard. Choose the appropriate version for your operating system, either Mac OS or Windows. Click the download link to start the installation process. Locate the downloaded file in your browser's download section. For Windows, double-click the .exe file to begin the installation. For macOS, open the .dmg file and drag the Figma icon to your Applications folder. Follow any additional prompts to complete the installation. After installation, open Figma from your Applications folder or Start menu. Log in using your credentials to access your Figma dashboard. Now, you can start creating and managing your UI brand systems in Figma. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.